Before installing your box frame weld-in door, we recommend having the below tools. Before installation, take caution and wear the correct PPE. We recommend a spare pair of hands if needed. First step, so you know where you're going to install your door, measure and tack support brackets. Second step, position your box frame door against the container. Third step, once you've positioned your door against the container, mark around the perimeter. Fourth step, once marked, cut around the perimeter with the grinder to create your opening. Step, once you've cut out your hole, tidy up the edges. We've used a flapper disc to do so. Step 6. Once you've tidied up the edges, you then offer up your box frame into the opening. Step 7. Once you've offered up your box frame into the opening, you then tack weld the frame in and ensure it is square and plumb. Step 8. Once you've ensured it is square and plumb, you can then proceed to weld in your box frame. We fully weld it in, as so. However, you can also stitch weld this and seal it with sealant. If you are fully welding your door in, be sure to distribute heat by staggering your welds. Now your box frame weld-in door is installed and ready for painting. If you need any further assistance with installing or you want any additional info on our products, be sure to give us a call or check out our website.